moms out there want to say that. Hope y'all have a good day. Do something interesting.
What's up, nieces? What's up, nephews? What's the dilly? Yo, I'm back with another video. What the hell going on with you, girl?
Okay.
Girl, look like what?
Y'all know I'm somewhere new.
Hold up.
Parking
There
spots. They're assigned minus N.
What in the world going on, Asia? Them two big, thick, dookie braids and that piece of headband, honey. Let me go on, cuz. Well, like I said, we all have our moments, and this is yours.
It's like the first letter in my last name minus S, okay? Listen, somebody from California plates parked their car in my spot. I called the management, you know. They said take a picture of it, send it to
I guess you got to feed the
manager,
bugs, huh?
whatever. I did that. Obviously, nothing was done, because if this car really got towed, why would they park it back there again? Right. So obviously nothing was done from the management's office. So there is
you ain't been there a good week.
Says, you can call
a good week.
Somebody to tow. I called that number. They said
the
that
furniture ain't he had time to get rest. Okay. And you already acting the fool now. You gonna get thrown right the fuck on out of there.
Because I told management. Okay. And nothing was done about it. Same car in the same spot.
Already fucking with management.
I got a picture of it. Matter of fact, put it in this video. All I know is that now
you gonna find your bags right there on outside of that door one day you come home. They gonna say with a note saying, no thank you. We thought we did, but no thank you. Get the fuck on.
Okay. I'm gonna go put this shit all over their car so the bitches can understand. Okay. Stay out of S.
Andrika.
Stay out of S spot. Time to have everything you love. So they motherfucking car.
Okay. Go out there putting shit on people's car you want to.
Contact me. My contact information right there. Boom. Okay. I don't care who's seeing this. Okay. Okay.
Well, we know that's one of them business phones.
Okay.
You blow that up, you ain't gonna answer.
People be knowing that they ain't supposed to park where they at. Keep your ass out of my spot. Okay. Now.
Oh yeah, you going up out that motherfucker in a cannonball.
Ass out my spot. Okay?
Trying to tell you.
It's too bad I gotta go out here on Mother's Day early in the morning, y'all. To go put this on somebody, but I'm about to. I'm gonna use some sticky.
Well, they gonna be out there on any day. On your ass.
Put these on this person's car. They need to understand. They need to understand. You gonna have to stop that bull. And there's nobody that live here. Because the people
that's all the more reason for them to cut your throat. Cause they don't live there, and you fucking with them.
Live close by. So yeah, they really need me.
You be on some shit.
Okay. You see how you try doing things the nice way. You try doing.
You can pull that headband back a little bit.
Okay, like I
Make you had the biggest head. I know you looked in the mirror. Maybe you didn't.
Nothing is done, so now I got to do it my way.
Well, you don't look like you
I
washed.
need something done because I shouldn't have had to park.
You still got there laying in the bed face look.
I should have been able to park in my spot yesterday.
Well, I understand about the parking spot. I get it. They're in your spot, but don't go out there fucking with them people you think they give a fuck about you. I told you gonna be laying out there in that ocean.
So I gotta do this shit.
Or out there in that traffic that you love so much.
When I'm putting this paper all over this motherfucking car. Yeah. Now you see, I shouldn't have to be out here, y'all. I should not have to be out here getting ready to put paper.
You look like you getting ready to go clean her house on that block.
Understand? Don't park in my shit. Okay? Period. See, I gotta be ghetto, y'all. Dang. In the new neighborhood and shit.
That's why you getting up out of there. They ain't got nobody in there like you. You getting ready to run you right on up out of there. And then you had to be in that little car that they about to repo.
Okay, sometime. Okay? Because you get your motherfucking point across. Sometime.
Okay.
Okay?
Then you talking about putting tape on somebody's car? Yeah.
And you know what?
You ain't bit more leaving that shit up there than a man in the moon.
Because yesterday was a lot going on out here.
You praying that they in the bed sleep. 'Cause I promise you, it probably about 7 o'clock in the morning out there. Uh-huh. You just early as you can be, 'cause you hoping and praying ain't nobody gonna see you.
Have you given testimony? Because bitches need to understand.
Girl, you gonna get killed fucking with somebody's shit now. You doing the wrong shit now. You doing the wrong thing now. The most you could have done was stick that in the wind wiper. But you putting tape on the car. You know you ain't got no money if they sue your ass. You know they ain't no need of trying to call your sister and brother or your mama. What you gonna do? Time. That's exactly what you gonna do is some time. And you ain't gonna do nothing but take every bit of that shit down soon that you stop that video. Soon as that camera in, you gonna take that down, 'cause you ain't that raw. You talk a good game, but baby, you ain't left that up there. You ain't that hard. Yeah. 'Cause you gonna get your whole head tore off. That whole block chopped. Girl. And on somebody's car too, you said with that old hard sticky tape that gonna leave some residue. Oh yeah. I ain't got on broader first. Out there looking like you just got through cleaning that whole side of houses. Mary Maid. Got your keys on the thing. Hun, I'm trying to say you playing dangerous now. Now you playing the wrong game. Got your whole phone number. You know that phone number ain't working. It might be working, but ain't nothing that you probably answer all the time. One they call a dummy phone.
But yeah, you just motherfucking ass need to stay the fuck out of my spot. This ain't the one now. I have to go and find some what's called that construction paper and do this whole motherfucking car and turn this whole motherfucking car a whole different color.
Yeah, they gonna turn that eye a whole different color when they get to your ass. But you ain't leaving that up there. That's just for the video. You ain't leaving that up there.
Who did it? They looking all out the window so you can know I
Oh, you know they sleep. That's why you went out there that early.
Tired of this shit. Shouldn't have to go through this shit. Punk ass bitch.
Okay, ain't he talking loud? Turn up the volume, you real bad.
Happy Mother's Day, y'all.
Turn up the volume.
Sorry, y'all. Damn.
Leave them folks shit alone. You ain't gonna put nothing on nobody's car.
How much fun I'm having already.
That's why you getting ready to get up out of there. That's about the best neighborhood I seen, and they getting ready to tote your ass on up out of there. You know what I tell you?
Ain't that a trip?
Ponytails and all. Yes, sir. Right by your braids. Yank.
Playing games and shit.
Yeah, you going back to get that.
Or
you hoping the wind blow it off one?
Phone loss is just like this sometimes. Y'all know it be like this
sometimes. Oh, we already know you. No matter where you go, you gonna have something gonna be fucked up with you. No matter where you go, it's always gonna be something.
You see, and that's why I made that video the other day, talking about new people and how I have new neighbors and dealing with, just new property.